In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check eToro deposit history, whether you're reconciling your bank statement, preparing records for taxes, or just tracking how much you've added to your account over time. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look on the web version of eToro. First, open a trusted web browser and go to the official eToro website, then log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection. The padlock icon in the address bar is a good sign, and complete any verification prompts. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private window and always sign out when you're done. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand menu. Click Portfolio. This is your main hub for what you currently hold and what you've done in the past. Don't worry if you immediately see your open positions or a summary view. That's normal. The information we need is just a click away from here. At the top of the portfolio page, switch to the History tab. This tab changes the view from your current holdings to a timeline of past activity. Give the page a moment to load if your account has a lot of activity. In this list, you'll find entries clearly labeled as deposit, alongside the date, the amount, the currency, and the status, such as completed or pending. That's your deposit history. Scroll to review earlier entries and take note of the timestamps so you can match them with your bank records. A few helpful tips as you review. Recently initiated deposits may take a little time to appear, depending on your payment method and bank processing times. If you're reconciling across time zones, remember that eToro may display times in a standardized format, so minor differences from your bank statement can be normal. If your browser has aggressive content blockers, temporarily allowing the site can help the History tab load correctly. If you don't see the History tab or the page doesn't load as expected, try refreshing the page or opening eToro in another modern browser. These steps work on the web platform. The mobile app layout can look different, so be sure you're using the website for this walkthrough. And that's it. To recap, log in on the web, click Portfolio on the left, and then switch to the History tab at the top to view all your deposit entries. Pause the video and follow along if you want, and when you're done, sign out to keep your account secure.